what's up guys, my name is Aniruddhan Kamath, welcome to Random Crafts, and today I am going to show you how to make OOBLECK and make two experiments with it. First I am going to hit it hard with a hammer, then I am going to check if a ball can bounce over it, and I am going to bounce a ball over it. So without any discussions, let's get started. So for those who don't know what OOBLECK is a substance, is a liquid which acts as solid. When though no force is applied on it, it acts as a liquid. But if we hit it hard and apply some force on it, it changes quickly into solid. Then we remove the force over it, then it again changes into liquid. So for this, you will need a vessel and a spoon for stirring it. Some corn flour which contains cornstarch and water. So let's get started. You should put your corn flour into the vessel. Then you add some water. Then mix it. You will understand it going harder and harder by putting more water. Then again put some more water. If you feel a little watery, you should add little more cornstarch, but if you feel more hard, you should add a little more water. So now I am adding a little more cornstarch. I added a little more cornstarch and little more water, and I still kept mixing. So now this is what you call OOBLECK. I made a little more quantity and added to it. So let me show what is a OOBLECK. So here this thing is a liquid. If you put slowly your hands inside this, it's a liquid. But if you try to take your hands out of it quickly, it changes to solid. Look here. There's a big chunk in my hand, then suddenly changed to liquid and went. It takes a lot of force. Here's again liquid. Again changed to liquid. It's so satisfying. When we touch it, it's just like a solid, and when we leave it, it changes to liquid. I can easily take it in my hand. Then change to liquid and flows out. Look, there's a ball in my hand. Then change to liquid. So that's an OOBLECK. Now I am going to do the two experiments. First I am trying to throw a hammer, trying to hit a hammer hard on it and check whether it goes inside or it remains solid. The hammer test. So here's the hammer. I'll take the camera closer. Look, it's completely liquid right now if no much force is applied. But if we pound this with the hammer, let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. it still remains a solid. But when we should do it quickly or else it again changes to liquid. See, now it's a liquid. You can hear the sound. I am beating it on a liquid. Nothing is happening. If we just do in water, it sinks inside. The hammer goes inside the water, but nothing happens if you do this to OOBLECK. Look here, the hammer is clean. Nothing is sticking onto it. See? When we do it quickly, it's a solid, so nothing sticks onto it and this remains clean. See? Now I am going to punch it with my hand. It remains hard when we punch it. But if we put our hand slowly, it shrinks inside and sticks onto our hand. But when you do it quickly, it all goes out. It remains a solid. So let's move on to the experiment number 2, and we are going to check if we can bounce a ball on top of the OOBLECK. Here I am trying it with a plastic ball wrapped with cello tape. I just dipped this ball in it and it sinked in. Now let's try to bounce the ball over it. First I am testing a ball to bounce from here to here. Then I am putting directly from the top and check whether the ball bounces or not. So test number 1, from here and bounce, then here. Let's see whether this thing bounces or not.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, it bounced a little bit. You saw it. Guys, this is not fake, this is a real OOBLECK. Second try. This time, because of the vessel, it stopped. Guys, this reaction should happen quickly or else it again changes to liquid and the ball gets stuck into that. I am also going to try it with a sponge ball and check whether it bounces. Third try. This is the last try on this angle. Again, it didn't bounce. The first time it bounced. Then the next angle is from here. I'm going to throw it from here and check whether it bounces over here and comes again top. 3, 2, 1. No, it's not working. 3, 2, 1. No, again. Now let me bring a sponge ball and try it with that. So here's a sponge ball, the small smiley sponge ball. Let us try this from this angle, then from top. So let me adjust the camera a little bit. And now let me bounce it from here. In 3, 2, 1. Yes, this thing bounced a lot. That's because this ball is more bouncier than the normal, this plastic ball. I'm going to show you again. See it in 3, 2, 1. See? There's nothing on this ball because that was solid when it bounced. So now I'm going to try from this angle, from the top. So I'll throw it in 3, 2, 1. Yes. This ball bounces. It's not like this plastic ball. See? There's nothing stuck on this. But when you bounce this changes to solid and it's just like bouncing it on a table. See, nothing sticks to it. But if we put this in slowly, see, the ball sinks inside and everything sticks to this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to share if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next random craft video. Till then, bye bye.